Follow these steps to attach documents to email on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure the document that you want to send is downloaded to your Files app. If not, you will need to download the file to the Files app. Once you do that, now you can launch your Mail app. Now generate a new mail. Type in the recipient's name. Now go ahead and type in your recipient's email address. Now in the subject part, you can give a title. And below that, you're gonna find this box for the message. Press and hold on it. Different options will appear as paste, select, and many more. Just click on this arrow. You're gonna find the option of attach file. Click on that. Automatically your Files app will open up, and here you're gonna find all of your document. Select the one that you wanna send. Click on it. With that, the file will be added. Now you can send it. So this way you are able to attach documents to email on iPhone. Likewise, in case you are using Gmail, launch it. Now click on the option Compose. Now type in the recipient's email address. Type in the subject. Now to attach document, click on this icon given over here. Now select where your document is located, photos, camera, files or drive. Select it, click on open. The document has been attached. Now you can send it. So this way you are able to attach documents to email on iPhone and send it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.